So permutation means what? Permutations means arrangement, right? The arrangement are of two kinds. We say linear and circular. This linear is not strictly linear actually, right? This is, I can call it as some scattered arrangement, because theoretically we say linear permutation. Permutations means arrangement, but they say linear. Linear means line, straight. Theoretically they say straight arrangements, and then there is a circular arrangement. So we are going to discuss that. Okay, so let us take, there are 4 persons and we need 4 seats. Of course, let us take seats to be like this. The 4 persons may be A, B, C, D. 4 persons should occupy 4 seats, and initially we will take this to be linear, that is the seats are arranged linearly, 4 vacant seats, and we are going to take the case one person will occupy 1 seat, not one seat will be occupied by 2 persons, one sitting over the lap of the other, or one person is very fat enough to sit into. So we are not taking those cases, we are assuming that one person will sit in 1 seat, right? So here we can again look from one by one, either one person versus seats or one seat versus persons. Understood? So now let us see now person versus seats. Person versus seats. So how are you going to give an argument? Suppose so the person A, let's take person A is going to occupy the one of the 4 seats first. How many possibilities? 4. Because A has 4 choices. So A is going to occupy first means, so A is the first means he has 4 choices. Then let us assume that B occupies next. Only 3 choices, because A is already occupied which seat we don't know. So B is next, that is second. So he has 3 choices. And then C, 2 choices. Why 2 choices? Because there are only 2 seats left. And D, only 1 choice. Whatever seat is left. So this 4, 3, 2, 1, are you going to add or multiply? Because for every possible choices for A, there are choices for B. So for A and B are going to multiply. Same thing you can do. Therefore it's going to be what? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which can be called as 4 factorial. This is called factorial of 4. So this is person versus seats. Clear? But we can also look seat versus persons. Correct? You can see seat versus persons. You already got the result, no problem. But you can see also from the seat. So suppose I am looking from this seat. Let me call this the first seat. The second, third and fourth. So first seat has how many choices? It can occupy either by A or B or C or D. So first seat has 4 choices. Whichever seat is occupied can be called as first seat. Let us presume this is the first seat. And the second seat, why 3? Because one person is already seated. Therefore, any one of the 3 persons is going to sit in the second seat. Third seat, 2 choices. Fourth seat. And obviously again this is going to be not additive but multiplicative. So again you will get 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. But the point is, what's more important here? Either you can look from person versus seats or seat versus persons. So that possibility is there because both the numbers are equal. Are able to understand? And why I said this is given as linear, but it's not linear. I will give an example. Suppose a train comes to a station, right? 4 persons, say A, B, C, D, board the train. And the seats in the compartment, this is a compartment, okay, this is some entrance. You have seats here and there, some 4 seats. All the other seats are occupied. Is it linear? It's not linear. So A, B, C, D boards. So this seat may be occupied by, presume that these 4 seats are occupied by these 4 persons. So this seat can be occupied by any one of the 4 in 4 ways. And assume that this is the second seat occupied. It can be occupied by any one of the 3 in 3 ways. This seat, 2 ways, this one 1. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Still you get the same result. Therefore, theoretically what they say linear is practically need not be linear. So that's the first thing you should get. Otherwise you will think that, okay, only for linear arrangements we are doing. It's scattered arrangement, which is not forming a closed one. It's obviously not forming a closed one. Are you able to understand? Therefore, that linear permutation is not exactly linear. You are actually, this arrangement can be theoretically made into linear. But practically it is not necessarily linear. It is only, we can call it as a what? Scattered, which is not going to form any closed thing. Are you able to follow that? Clear?